My name is Kimiya Ramin. My role is a Systems and Automation Graduate Engineer. As part of a graduate engineer, I've worked with different engineering teams where I look at daily maintenance or troubleshooting, ensuring all our terminals follow the same maintenance programs. What I like about DP World is it's a global company, so there's a lot of opportunity to grow. Working with such huge equipment, it's very exciting for me. I can work both at Port Botany and head office. That gives me a huge advantage. I'm able to still prioritize my health and spending time with family. I definitely do see myself working here after the grad program. It's exciting. There's just so much to learn and so many different paths you can go just within engineering itself. Thinking from an engineering perspective, with the way the world is going, this is a really wonderful space to be in. So much growth in that sense.